In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly error message inside of your Windows computer. So this one is a nice and straightforward error to fix. We just need to first come over to our Start menu, and we need to search for Control Panel, and then just head over to the Control Panel icon. Inside of here, make sure View By is set to Category, and then we're going to come inside of Programs and select Turn Windows Features On or Off. Now inside of here, you need to make sure these two folders at the top, these .NET ones are both ticked. Now, if they're already ticked, you can just close out of this window. However, if you have either of these not checked, then you'll need to go ahead and check both of these now, and then we can press OK. Then you should get a message pop up on your screen, and you need to select the option for Let Windows Update the downloaded files for you, which will be the top option, and then you'll just need to wait a few minutes for these .NET folders to install to your computer. Now, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work for you, the next thing we can do is head over to our program files, and you need to come over to your C drive, come down to the Windows folder at the bottom here, scroll all the way down till you find a folder called System32 and come inside of here, and we need to find a file called xinput1_3, which will be located right at the bottom here, this xinput1_3.dll. And we need to right click on this file and select the trash icon to delete it. And then once you've deleted this file, we need to come back one folder by pressing this back arrow at the top. Scroll all the way down, and we need to next come inside of this syswow64 folder. And once again, we need to find the file xinput1_3, which will be right at the bottom down here. And once you found this file, once again, we're just going to right click on it to delete it. And then once you've deleted these two files, we can then close out of this window, and we're next going to head over to an internet browser and then just come over to a search engine, and we need to type in download DirectX, and then you need to come over to this Microsoft website, the top search result here, and we can scroll all the way down, and we just need to select the download button, double click on the DX web setup, and you'll need to go through the steps in order to download DirectX. So I'm just going to unselect this box here for installing the Bing bar because I don't want that, and then click on next, and click on next once more. So once that's finished installing, we can just click on finish, and the last thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu and search for Settings, and then just head over to the Settings tab. Scroll down on the left and come down to Windows Update, and you just need to press this Check for Updates button here to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows. And if you do have any pending updates inside of here, then you'll need to install these now. And if you followed all of the steps correctly, that should have fixed the error message inside of your Windows computer. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.